Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be looking at the sound aw this week. Now, in the past, and even in kindergarten and first grade and second grade, you were always taught that aw was made by the o sound. Today we have two different ways to make the aw sound. So whenever you're writing or trying to sound out a word and you see the pattern AW or AU, you know from now on out that AW and AU makes the aw sound. Like in the word that we have here, saw, SAW, we're hearing aw, and in the word cause, we have AU. So we're going to be looking at words that have the aw sound. Now, we're also going to be seeing that there are some words in our list that have the aw sound that might not necessarily be spelled with AW or AU. They might be spelled more classically like you were taught, where aw makes the sound of, where O makes the sound of ah, I should say. So let's go ahead and go through our list. We're starting in our first column. We have cause, pause, law, taught, haul, haunt, dawn, and shawl. Now, haul, meaning that you're like pulling something or towing something, and then a shawl is something that you use to cover your shoulders, not necessarily a sweater, but it kind of just lays over you to keep you warm, almost like a blanket across your shoulders. I'm in the second column. I have lawn, straw, claw, draw, pause, hawk, cross, and cloth. All of those words you're hearing the ah sound. In our last column, I should start up here. Saw, caught, fault, sauce, laugh, song, crawl, vault, and frost. You should have heard when I was reading through this last column, we actually had a word that was spelled with AU that does not make the ah sound, it makes the ah sound, the word laugh. So when I say laugh, I hear l, ah, ah. The rest of our words are ah, so that's definitely going to be one of your oddballs this week. So let's go back through and talk about our AW words. Like in saw, we have pause, law, dawn, lawn, straw, claw, draw, hawk. Last column, we have crawl. I believe that's it for our AWs making the ah sound. Now let's look at our AU words that also make the ah sound. We already did cause in our first column, our first word. Taught, haunt, again I'm hearing ah, ah, ah. Pause in our second column. Third column, caught, fault, sauce, vault. Now, a vault is like this big locked up container that typically holds money or something really important and valuable. So all those words we're hearing the ah sound. Now you see some words, not in our first column, but in our second column, that actually don't have a box around them. We're hearing the ah sound in our word cross, but that's spelled classically with an O. And again with the word cloth, I'm hearing ah, but really just spelled with an O that time. Also the word song, spelled with an O, and frost. So all those words we're hearing the ah sound, but it's spelled with just an O. So those are also going to go in a separate column in your oddball section with the word laugh. If you have any questions about any of these words, please feel free to ask. I would get my scissors and get starting to cut. Happy sorting!